Welcome back to our fun and educational math challenge. In this video, we are going to do addition crossword puzzle using numbers from 0 to 9. It is based on addition using number line 0 to 10 and number names. You can revise all in one about number line with Freddy the Frog from my latest video. Here is our crossword puzzle. Your task is to fill in the blanks with the numbers that add up correctly. Solve the puzzle by adding the numbers and writing the number names across and down. It's a great way to practice your addition skills and learn number names. You can use a number line to do addition. Let's get started. First is 0 plus 1. What's the answer? 1. Next 1 plus 2. So how many jumps? 2. So the answer is 3. Next is 2 plus 2. So you have to start from 2 and take 2 jumps to the right. The answer is 4. Next is 4 plus 3. So you have to start from 4 and take 3 jumps to the right, and the answer is 7. Here I am going to show you only 2 additions. First is 6 plus 3. So you have to start from 6 and take 3 jumps to the right, and the answer is 9. For 1 plus 1, there is only 1 jump, so the answer is 2. Rest of it you can complete yourself. Here is the full addition crossword puzzle all put together. I'll help you with the first half and you'll finish the rest. 1 across, you have done 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, and 1 across is we have to write the number names which are given here 1 to 9, so you have to write ONE 1. Across means it is horizontal, it goes to the right. Next is 5 across, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 5 across is you have to write SEVEN 7. Now the next one is the rest 2 you will have to complete yourself. Now for down, 2 down is 9. Now here when you take 2 down, N is already there, so you just have to fill the remaining letters INE. So it becomes NINE 9. So learn all the spellings like that. And next is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So it is 3 down. So we have TWO 2. Try to solve the remaining blanks on your own. Finish the rest. And stay tuned for my next video where I'll reveal the solution to this puzzle and introduce more subtraction puzzles. Be sure to check the description for related links. Goodbye. Welcome back to our fun and educational math challenge. In this video, we are going to solve a subtraction crossword puzzle using numbers from 0 to 9. This puzzle is based on subtraction using a number line from 0 to 10 and number names. Today we'll tackle a fun subtraction crossword puzzle with numbers from 0 to 9. You can revise our previous video, your guide to number line with Freddy the Frog, all in one, where we learned about number lines and how the friendly witch constructs a number line with her magical spell. Stay tuned till the end of the video for the solution to our previous addition puzzle. Here is our puzzle. You need to fill in the blanks with numbers that subtract correctly. Solve the puzzle by subtracting the numbers and writing the number names across and down. It's a great way to practice your subtraction skills and learn number names. By the end of the video, you will have learned single-digit subtraction and number names with their spellings. Here is the subtraction challenge for you. Let us subtract the numbers first using number line to do subtraction. So here is the number line. Today Freddy is going to hop on lily pads on the number line from right to left and show us the answers. Freddy, can you show us what is 5 minus 2? The answer is 3. Yes, correct. Next one. 8 minus 4. That's it. So the answer is 4. I am showing you only half of it. The rest you can do and complete. Here you have some more numbers for subtraction. Now let's subtract these numbers, and here is the number line, and here comes Freddy the Frog. Now Freddy is going to show us what is 8 minus 2. The answer is 6. Next, what is 9 minus 1, Freddy? Only one hop, that is 8. Now what is 9 minus 0? 9. Now here are some more facts about 0. Subtracting 0 from any number or adding 0 to any number, it leaves the number unchanged. And 9 minus 9 equal to 0. That is subtracting a number from itself also equal to 0. Next fact is 9 times 0 is 0. That is multiplying any number by 0 is equal to 0. And 0 divided by 9 equal to 0. 0 divided by any non-zero number results in 0. Here is the full subtraction crossword puzzle. Let's start by solving the first few blanks together. I'll help you with the first half and you will finish the rest. So let's begin. The first one is 3 across. 3 across is 5 minus 2, that is 3. And we'll mark it THREE 3. Next is 8 minus 4, that is 4. So we'll take 4 across and we'll write it FOUR 4. The next one is down, that is 8 minus 2 is 6. So we'll write it 5 down, SIX 6. And the last one is 9 minus 1 is 8. So that is 6 down, EIGHT 8. Now it is your turn. Try to solve the remaining blanks on your own. Finish the rest. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll reveal the solution to this puzzle. Here is the solution for addition crossword puzzle. You can pause the video and check your answers. Stay tuned for my next video and be sure to check the description for related links. Here is the solution for the subtraction crossword puzzle. You can pause the video and check your answers. Stay tuned for my next video and be sure to check the description for related links. Please subscribe to my channel to stay updated on new content and check out the playlist to see all my previous videos. Bye. Take care.